Y'all ready for this? What does a woman want? Hold on one second, let me ask myself. What is it that you want? Lots of things, darling, lots of things. Whenever I talk to men about what it is that a woman wants, it is a very overwhelming place for a man. Why? Because there's so many things that a man hears that a woman wants that many times men just get really discouraged and they say, it's too much, I'm overwhelmed, I give up. Well, I want to take that frustration out of your play box. Really boils down to some basic things that if you can really understand and grasp and implement, you can have a woman falling for you like that. So, to break it down for you, I'm going to tell you a little story.
Here's a little story all about how my life got turned upside down.
That's not really where I'm going with this, but I am going to tell you a story. So, I met this guy, it was around Halloween time, and I'm going to tell you the story about me meeting this guy, and I'm going to tell you some things that he did, and it was these subtle things that made him stand out, and it made me want to date him. It was Halloween night. It was probably one of the worst Halloweens ever. I was out with my girlfriends, and one thing after the next went wrong. Couldn't find a cab. We had to walk for an hour in stilettos. Once we get to the party, a guy decides to steal one of my stilettos, and I just so happened to slam my girlfriend's finger in the cab door. Off to a great start. So we get to this house party and we are ready to go. We are not having it, just another house party in Los Angeles, and we are just done. We're over it. And so I'm like, being with the small bladder that I had to go to the restroom. And so while I was in line for the restroom, this guy walks up to me and he starts chatting with me as I'm in line. Now mind you, my whole face said, F off, leave me alone. I was so done with the night, but this guy didn't give up. So this is what he did. He started chatting with me and bantering with me to the point where he got my mind off of my frustrating night and had me laughing. And it was really refreshing. I finally went from being guarded like this to just like this and able to relax, able to laugh. Mind you, with my bladder punching me on the inside saying, I gotta go. But I had forgotten all of that. Why? Because his humor had brought my guard way down and it helped me to relax. So as we're getting close to the restroom, I go to the ladies' room and I come out and I look at him and I said, well, don't you need to go to the restroom? He said, no, I was just standing in line to get your phone number. So can I have your phone number? I'd like to take you out. I have to tell you that if he had asked me before that conversation, I would have said hell to the no. But because he had used his humor to bring my guard down, to bring my frustration down, and because he was witty, guess what? I gave him my phone number. Now, fast forward to the actual date. This guy picks me up, we go to a restaurant, yada, yada, yada. And what I found with this guy was there was a lot of genuineness there. Guy was pretty sincere. Now, you may be thinking, not a big deal. Women don't care. Bull crap. Women do care. The fact that he was warm, sincere, and genuine, guess what? Led to many more dates. So what am I trying to tell you by the story? It's simple things like what this guy did of using humor, using his wit, and being a genuine, sincere guy landed plenty more dates and amazing times for him and I to share. So what I'm trying to say to you is this. Don't get so alarmed with what women want that you forget the basic tools that you already have. Listen, you're not going to have everything a woman wants, but you're going to have some primary tools that are going to resonate with her, that are going to make her want to date you, want to see you, and want to spend time with you. So don't get overwhelmed. Look at your personal toolbox, see what you have going for you, and implement them. But in the same token, don't walk away from the basic things that make a woman happy. Bonjour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Toodles.